All right, everybody, welcome to the weekly preview. This is for February 13th, 2023 to February 17th, 2023. So, some important announcements. Monday, my office hours are 2 p.m. to 3 p.m., and Friday, my office hours are 2:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. So, we're in quarter three, week four. Sorry, I'll change the dates here, but Monday, we have no live class, but your homework is the Achieve 3000 series Fun in China. On Tuesday, no live class, but you have the lesson there on language with the key terms phoneme, phonemic, babbling, telegraphic speech, Baraka's area, and Wernicke's area. Wednesday in live class, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Analyze how humans develop and understand language skills with the CYU Development of Language. Thursday, no live class, but the project Thinking in Disney. And then Friday, 2 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. Review the quiz on Thinking in Language with the quiz there of the same name. Again, sorry about the dates. You can ignore those dates there at the top. Obviously, it's not May, but I hope to see you in live class, and let me know if you have any questions or concerns.